Tire removal and installation. Flip the display over and turn the e-bike upside down. Remove the rear axle nut protective covers. Then, remove the rear wheel mounting bolts. Remove the reinforcement plate mounting bolts and take off the reinforcement plate. Remove the rear axle nut protective covers. Then, remove the rear wheel mounting bolts. Remove the rear axle stop washer. Disconnect the motor wiring harness and remove the rear wheel. Remove the rear axle stop washer. Unscrew the valve cap and deflate the tire. Use a tire lever to pry up one side of the tire. Remove the inner tube. Finally, separate the hub from the tire. Prepare the tire. When installing the tire, pay attention to the tread direction. The side without the logo should face the brake disc. First, mount one side of the tire onto the hub. Next, insert the inner tube, making sure the valve stem is properly positioned. Finally, fit the other side of the tire onto the rim and inflate it to the proper pressure. Install the rear axle stop washer. With the raised side, install the rear axle stop washer, with the raised side facing the left side of the motor wiring harness. Install the rear wheel, paying attention to the chain. Install the axle stop washer on the sprocket chain side. Install the rear wheel mounting bolts and tighten them securely. Install the rear axle nut protective covers. Connect the motor wiring harness. Install the reinforcement plate and tighten the mounting bolts. Install the rear wheel mounting bolts and tighten them securely. Install the rear axle nut protective covers. Secure the motor cable, making sure it does not rub against the brake disc.